Email automation for beginners. Your step-by-step tutorial starting or growing an online business can feel overwhelming. There's a website to build, customers to reach, and marketing campaigns to set up. Thankfully, email automation can simplify a big chunk of your marketing efforts. In this video, we'll cover what email automation is and why it matters. What is email automation? Email automation is a way to send pre-written emails to your customers or prospects without having to hit send every time. But email automation can seem complicated at first. However, when you understand it, email automation is an incredibly powerful tool that amplifies and simplifies your marketing efforts. Imagine this: someone subscribes to your newsletter or downloads a free guide you offered on your website. With email automation, they instantly get a welcome email without you having to do a thing apart from setting it up once. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Email automation can be a game changer, especially if you're just getting started. Here are a few reasons why. Saves time. Instead of sending individual emails to each customer, you set up a series once and let automation do the work. Keeps you organized. Automation allows you to segment your audience. Think separating new customers from loyal ones, so each group gets emails relevant to them. Builds relationships. Regular emails can help you stay connected with potential customers, introducing them to your brand and guiding them through the buying process. Increases revenue. By sending the right emails at the right time, you can encourage potential customers to take action, whether it's making a purchase or booking a service. How to get started with email automation? Here's a simple step-by-step to get you rolling. 1. Choose the right email automation tool. There are plenty of options, from beginner-friendly tools to advanced platforms. If you're working on a budget or just starting out and you want an easy-to-learn software, Systeme.io is a fantastic option. It's easy to use and offers everything you need to get started with funnels and automation. 2. Identify key triggers for your emails, such as someone signing up for your newsletter. Start with 1-2 simple triggers that align with your business goals. 3. Create a welcome sequence. A great way to introduce your business is with a welcome sequence. This is a series of 3-5 emails that go out when someone first subscribes to your list. 4. Segment your audience. Not every customer is the same, so why send them the same emails? Segmenting allows you to group your audience based on their behavior or interests. For example, you can have separate segments for new subscribers, past customers, webinar attendees. 5. Measure and adjust. The best part about email automation is the ability to measure what works. You use analytics to see which emails get the most opens, clicks, and sales. To give you a clearer idea, here are some common automations you can implement as a startup. Abandoned cart email. If someone leaves without completing a purchase, send them a reminder with an offer or discount. Birthday emails. Celebrate your customers with a personalized email and maybe a special offer. Post-purchase follow-up. After someone buys from you, send them a thank you email and perhaps suggest other products they might like. Tips for writing engaging emails. You don't need to be a professional writer to create emails that convert. Be personal. Use the customer's name and write as if you're speaking directly to them. Include a call to action, CTA. Tell them what you want them to do next, whether it's visiting your website, booking a consultation, or checking out a product. Make it mobile friendly. This is so important. Many people read emails on their phones, so make sure your emails look good on smaller screens. Here are a few common pitfalls to watch for when starting out. Overloading with emails. Don't overwhelm your subscribers with too many emails too quickly. Being too salesy. Focus on providing value and building trust instead of always pushing for a sale. Ignoring data. Keep track of your email performance metrics. Open rates, click-through rates, and conversions matter. Ready to get started? Email automation is a simple yet powerful tool for any startup. It lets you stay connected with your audience, build relationships, and drive sales, without adding extra hours to your day. Whether you're selling products, services, or online courses, the right email strategy can really boost your business. Ready to dive deeper into marketing automation and want expert guidance? More info in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Happy automating.